Hey guys, Mike Thompson here with Munz Construction. We're here today at the Mark Twain House, visited in historical Princeton, New Jersey. We're only about a mile down the road from the battlefield of Princeton. Come check it out in this beautiful historical house that we're building. So here we are on the side of the house. Before we even started the addition, we had taken into consideration that this is a historical house. And what we did here in preparations of our new build is that we had to take these old existing windows that were here prior, and we had to put a set of doors in the landing so that this way it was functional for the client to come out to the space. And actually, believe it or not, underneath of this is our utilities that we'll get to, and how we had to bring this into our new build. So here we are, we're standing in our beautiful garage to be. Behind me, you see we have a door here. That's going to be our access for all our utilities, hot water heater and dehumidifier system for our forever pool inside. Check this out. We're here today standing in our forever pool room, waiting to see what we have in store. We got a custom detail that's we're currently working on right now. It's going to carry throughout with shadow boxes across the room. We're standing on top of a beautiful slate floor that's covered up at the moment. And in here, one thing to keep in mind when you have a pool indoors is a dehumidifier system. What you saw previously in a previous shot was a dehumidifier system that was in that built-in custom room above and inside the garage. And here's what you're gonna see. You're gonna see an intake and an outtake that's gonna regulate the room, the humidity within this room.